WiKi-Scan design allows for intuitive operation and a short learning curve required to properly operate the WiKi-Scan. For example, let's assume I need to inspect a new well. Assuming I don't know the current status of the WiKi-Scan, I simply press on the contextual menu button to get a list of the possible actions. Selecting the first icon, which represents the system's model type library, I obtain a sub-menu showing the last 4 model types selected on the WiKi-Scan. At the bottom, there's a link to the complete joint library. Here we see the complete selection of model types currently supported by the WiKi-Scan. This list can be updated based on users' requirements when necessary. Depending on the model I need to inspect, I simply need to select the proper icon representing the model. So in this case, I'll select a fillet weld. I'm now prompted to select one template from the list currently found in the WiKi-Scan. This template defines the basic parameters for the WiKi-Scan to properly recognize the joint or weld to be measured. By selecting the correct model type, you ensure the accuracy of your measurements results. For example, a fillet with short side walls should be measured using the corresponding template in order to obtain the most accurate measurements. Once a template is selected, the WiKi-Scan prompts for a confirmation or the user's addition of the template. The addition mode is there so that the user can configure the WiKi-Scan based on their own custom quality standards or on official standards such as AWS, ISO, or DIN. The goal here is to allow the WiKi-Scan to be configured for all the possible tolerances to be monitored inside the facility with a simple one-touch switch between different settings. Changing the settings is again simplified by the touchscreen interface, where a simple swiping motion changes the position of the threshold. Once the changes are made, the user can simply save the changes in the current model or even create a new model based on these changes.